Welcome to Amanda's Natural Living. I'm Amanda. Today I want to show you an amazing recipe that I have created. It is a variation on the salted caramel easy dip. I have named this one salted caramel coconut sauce from these dates. Drained water. Put your dates into your smoothie cup. Place in your cashews. Preferably you'll want to have soaked these in hot water. I did not, so it's just going to take a little bit longer to mix up, but definitely I recommend to soak these ahead of time. I will measure out half a teaspoon of salt, and I will put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, heated gently on the stove in a little glass bowl, or you can heat it gently in the microwave if you have. And I already know that this is going to be finicky. I'll just show you, and then I'll add a little bit of water. Now it's starting to get bound up. So I will shake it. Right down the sides of your container. You want to get all of the dates and all of the cashews mixed. I'm going to go ahead and put in 3 tablespoons of water. I don't want to put too much water. And I found that 3 tablespoons is a good amount. There, you just have to find that sweet spot. Okay, I'm going to taste it for salt. That is tasting good. I'm gonna add just a pinch more. And I know I have some cashew pieces right at the very bottom, so I'm going to just mix this. Try to get it all incorporated and mix it one more time. Shake it. All right, one more time, shake. Yummy, tastes like caramel, like it is supposed to. So good. Salted caramel, yummy. It's creamy because of the cashews, the coconut oil, the dates. It's caramelly with that vanilla. Oh, it's so good. So just place this in a bowl. You can serve this a multitude of ways, I'm sure. What I'm going to show you right now is a really quick popcorn ball recipe. Put a tablespoon or so of this sauce, dunk it right into my popcorn. Okay, And now I'm gonna form my popcorn around this caramel. So there's no caramel outside, just popcorn outside. Some might squeeze through, put a popcorn in there. Kind of squish your popcorn in there. And then once you have your popcorn ball formed, place it on your plate. And then you're gonna put this in the fridge and you're gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes, as long as you can handle it. Then you're gonna take it out and it's gonna become chewy. It's not gonna fall apart on you. That coconut oil will have set, and it's so yummy. You're gonna love it. So just a dollop. You decide how much you want in there. Form, it's squeezing out, so I'm going to put a couple popcorns there. Form it in there, squish it in there so it holds, that caramel's holding your popcorn. And in there, maybe put a popcorn here. Put it on your plate. I don't even add salt to my popcorn. There's salt in the sauce, so I think that's just enough. It's a little messy. All right, popcorn balls. So I'm gonna put these into the fridge and then I'll see you in about 20 minutes or so. These have been setting in the freezer for about an hour and they seem to be ready now. They're holding together, not falling apart, and when you bite into it, it is chewy and amazing caramel flavor popcorn ball. So good. I love it with the popcorn. If you enjoyed this video on salted caramel, coconut sauce, and popcorn balls, it is a pleasure to give you these recipes. I love creating them. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you subscribe. I hope you comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you serve this sauce, and I hope you have a really great day.